people out there. Thank you for coming to my 20th birthday celebration. And today, on this auspicious day, I will tell you my story. A story of a management institute which was founded in 1996 with the belief that a stimulating learning environment with a good mix of experienced professionals with corporate awareness coupled with the world-class infrastructure. Also, I bring a cutting-edge thinking and excellent learning practices with its flagship programs, which all my buddies are very well aware of. For past 20 years of my life, I have been endlessly developing several innovative ways of techniques and learning experience by demonstrating time-bound missions-oriented goals.
Asia Pacific has great corporate relations with leading organizations.
Asia Pacific has motivated me to understand the managerial concepts through various area activities and events.
I have always been a person who dreams big. I joined Asia Pacific Institute of Management because I felt that this is the place for people like me who dreams big.
This has been made possible only by my instructors, who are none other than in-house human resources of highly qualified and experienced faculty.
In Asia Pacific Institute of Management, there are various activities held for the first year and the second year students in the whole time span of 2 years.
The international exchange between IDRAC and Asia Pacific permitted us to discover another way for working in a different education system.
This is our biggest exposure beyond France, and we learn another culture, and we enjoy our year in India.
Asia Pacific Library, it's a good place where we can find all the information. It's very interesting to work in this place because we can find one think tank room where we can work in group.
The curriculum is the backbone of any institution. Keeping this in mind, it has been designed by industry experts and team of highly qualified faculty. Moreover, I have given freedom to all my buddies for any industry exposures and therefore keep on sending them to various conferences, seminars and even for foreign exchange programs.
Don't get it wrong. Try to be champion in life.
At Asia Pacific, I'm fully empowered to assume the responsibilities of the modern organization where the business environment is dynamic and change is the only constraint.
Coming to the most essential factor, where my buddies have to enter the professional world, leaving behind me. And for this, I ensure that graph of placement track never falls and all my buddies get good placements.
Coming to Delhi and taking admission in Asia Pacific, it was a huge step for me for career.
Asia Pacific provides me healthy environment to learn and practice business etiquettes, interpersonal skills, team management and behavioral skills.
I'm Meenakshi Anand, pursuing PGDM General. To be honest, coming here was one of my major decisions, and yes, it has proved right. APIM has enhanced all my skills. All the activities here keep us giving a glimpse of the corporate world. It has really helped me out, and yes, I know it will really help everybody out there.
I've been selected in Gartner India from Asia Pacific Institute of Management. I'm very happy and excited to begin working over there. I'd like to thank the staff at Asia Pacific Institute of Management. I'd like to give a message. If you work hard and you're persistent, you can achieve all your goals.
In today's world, physical activity is equally important for our mental refreshment. And for this, I allow everyone to keep me busy with various activities like Freshers Day, the Orientation Week, the coming Foundation Day, after that the Alumni Meet, even after the Ethnic Day, and guys, how can I forget our Sports Day and various other clubs and committee events. All these events act as a catalyst for personality enhancement and also gives me a slightly refreshment. Finally, what I want is my buddies' good performance in their first job and successive fast-track career development in future, which will keep reinforcing that you took the perfect choice by joining Asia Pacific Institute of Management. Here, we make your dream come true.
Hi, this is Siddharth Vesbarua, PGDM student at Marketing and Human Resources at
with the Jaro Group, which is one of the most prominent recruiters of our institution as a management trainee, for which I'd like to thank.
Very grateful to be the part of Asia Pacific Institute of